In today's video, I'm going to show you 11 AI tools that will blow your mind. I don't want to waste your time, so let's dive right in. Number 1 on our list is Stocking. Stocking is an AI tool that makes it easy to create professional-looking logos, book covers, banners, and more. With this tool, you don't need any design skills or experience to create high-quality graphics. Simply input your ideas and the AI will generate a variety of designs for you to choose from. At number 2, we have ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is an AI-powered speech software that offers some of the most realistic and versatile voices available today. It's perfect for anyone who needs to generate compelling and lifelike voices from text input. With this tool, you can create voiceovers for videos, audiobooks, podcasts, and more. Next up at number 3 is UseChannel.com. UseChannel.com is an AI tool that allows you to ask any question in plain English, and it automatically generates an answer in data form. This tool is like having your own personal data analyst, and it's perfect for anyone who needs to quickly gather insights and data on any topic. In the spot number 4, we have Papercup.com. Papercup.com is an AI tool that allows you to translate any video into 70+ languages with the best quality voices. This tool is perfect for businesses and content creators who want to reach a global audience. With Papercup.com, you can easily create multilingual videos and reach millions of users from different countries. Just listen how it sounds.
The palm of the hand is the essential tool for getting
esta técnica de pintura de forma correcta. El arte de
Yoga é ofício centenário e está na família
Furcatri da ben 8 generazioni. Un tempo.
These designs
Amazing,
were
right?
once popular throughout.
At number 5, we have YouTube Summary with Glasp. This is a Chrome extension that generates text summaries of any YouTube video. This tool is perfect for people who don't have time to watch entire videos, but still need to get the gist of the content. With this tool, you can quickly scan video summaries to see if a video is worth watching. Coming in at number 6 is ClipDrop. ClipDrop is an AI-powered image editing tool that allows you to remove objects, people, text, and defects from your pictures automatically. With this tool, you can also upscale your images by 2x or 4x in seconds. ClipDrop is perfect for anyone who needs to edit photos quickly and efficiently. At number 7, we have Booth.ai. Is an AI tool that allows you to quickly generate quality images for brands with just text or sample images. This tool is like having your own personal photographer. With Booth.ai, you can easily create high-quality images for your website, social media, and marketing campaigns. Number 8 on our list is Perplexity.ai. This is an AI-powered search engine that gives you the most accurate search results in real time. This tool is perfect for anyone who needs to quickly find information on any topic. With Perplexity.ai, you can easily search the web and find the most relevant and up-to-date information. At number 9, we have Clickable. Clickable is an AI tool that allows you to generate eye-catching visuals and ads in seconds. This tool is perfect for anyone who needs to create designs for their business, social media, or marketing campaigns. With Clickable, you don't need any design experience to create professional-looking graphics. Number 10 on our list is Browse.ai. Browse.ai is an AI tool that allows you to extract and monitor data from any website without any coding. This tool is perfect for anyone who needs to gather data quickly and efficiently. With Browse.ai, you can easily monitor prices, inventory levels, and other data points from any website. Last but not least, at number 11, we have ChatSonic. ChatSonic is an AI-powered chatbot that provides relevant results from the web. This tool is perfect for anyone who needs quick answers to their questions. With ChatSonic AI, you can easily get answers to your questions without having to search the web.